Good morning, students. So, in the last class we have finished the statistics. Now today we will start a new chapter, that is revision. So here actually I don't have the book, so I took the questions from the others. So now see, I start from last R6. I start from the exercise R6. So what is the first question? The length and breadth of a rectangle are 12 cm, 4 cm respectively. Find the perimeter and the area. Okay, yes. So here is simple. Given L equal to 12 cm and B equal to 4 cm. So first question is find the perimeter. So perimeter equal. Now perimeter equal to 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. That is 2 into 12 plus 4 equal 1632 centimeter. Then area equal L into B. Yes, area equal L into B. That is 12 into 4 equal to 48 square centimeter. Got it? So this is the first one. Next, question number 2. The length of a rectangle is 5 times the breadth of a rectangle is 5 cm and the length is 3 times the breadth. Okay, question number 2. Given B equal 5 cm, L equal to 3 times the breadth, means 3 into 5, that is 15 cm. Now question is find the perimeter. So perimeter equal 2 into L plus B, 20, so 40 centimeter. So this is the perimeter of the rectangular field whose length is 3 times the breadth and breadth is given 5 centimeter. Now next question. Find the area of a square of length 7 centimeter. This is a question based from class 5 onwards, so 5, 6, 7 up to 8, 9, 10. So area of a square whose length is given. Now given side equal to 7 centimeter. Therefore area equal side square, because area of a square whole side square, 7 centimeter whole square, it is 49 square centimeter. Yes. Now question number 4. What is question number 4? The length of one side of a parallelogram is 6 cm if the height of the parallelogram with respect to the side is 3 cm. Then find the area. Yes, here the one side of the parallelogram given and the height to that side is given. So what is a parallelogram? Suppose just imagine this is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. Yes. So this side is 6 and the height is given to this side. That is how much? That is equal to 3 cm. Then find the area. So area equal how much? Area equal to, in a parallelogram, the area equal to base into height. Area parallelogram formula base into height. So base equal to 6 cm and height equal to 3 cm, which is equal to 18 square centimeter. That is the area of the parallelogram. So here we will memorize all the formulas, areas of parallelogram, square, rhombus, trapezium, all the sets. The next, the length of one diagonal of a parallelogram is 8 cm and the height of each of the triangle whose common base is the given diagonal of the parallelogram is 4 cm. Find the area of the parallelogram. Yes, question of 5. A parallelogram is given. Suppose the parallelogram is ABCD. The parallelogram is ABCD. The length of one diagonal of the parallelogram is 8 cm. BD equal to 8 cm. Next part. And the height of each of the triangle whose common base is the given diagonal. So this is the diagonal and this is the height, AP and CQ. And the height is given 4 cm. The length of one diagonal of a parallelogram is 8 cm and the height of each of the triangle whose common base is the given diagonal of the parallelogram is 4 cm. Find the area of the parallelogram. Now we know that the diagonal of a parallelogram divides it into two congruent triangle. Therefore, area of triangle ABD is equal to area of triangle BCD. So, area of the parallelogram is equal to area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD. Now, area of triangle ABD is equal to half into base into height. Area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. Similarly, area of triangle BCD equal to half into base into height. 2, 16 plus 16, 32 square centimeter is the area of the parallelogram. Next, question number 6. Question number 6. The length of the diagonal of a plot of land in the form of rhombus is 125 and 85 meters. ABCD is the rhombus where the diagonals are AC and BD. What is given? The diagonals are 125 meter and 85 meter. Then find the area of the plot. Area of rhombus, area of the plot equal to, since the plot is in the form of rhombus, the area of the rhombus is equal to half into product of diagonals. Half into product of diagonals. Product of diagonals is equal to half into, first one is 125, second one is 85. So multiply them, you get the answer. Then divided by 2. Next, question number 7. The length of the diagonal of a rhombus are 24 meter and 10 meter. Then find number 1 perimeter of the rhombus and number 2 area of the rhombus. The length of diagonal of rhombus are 24 and 10. ABCD is the rhombus where the diagonals are 10 and 24. 10 and 24. Then question is find the perimeter of the rhombus and area of the rhombus. Okay, now see here, we know that diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at right angles. Therefore, OA equal OC equal half of 10 equal to 5. In this, what is the unit? Unit equal to meter of the meter. And OB equal OD equal half of 24, that is 12 meter. And angle AOB equal to angle BOC equal to angle COD equal to angle AOD is equal to how much? 90 degree. Therefore, in triangle AOB, now since all the triangles are identical triangle, so now we can use the Pythagoras theorem. So what is Pythagoras theorem? H square equal to, here H equal to AB. So H square equal to P square plus B square. Now OA equal to how much? OA equal to 5. So 25 and this one 144 is equal to 169. So AB equal to how much? AB equal to 13 meter. AB equal to how much? AB equal to 13 meter. So perimeter equal to number 1, perimeter equal to 4 into side. 4 into side. Now what is the one side? 13. 13, that is 52 meter. And then number 2, area equal to half into product of diagonals. And diagonals are 10 and 12 or 10 and 24. So 2 12s are equal to 120 square meter. So this is the perimeter of the rhombus field and area of the rhombus field. So thank you. That's all for this class. In the next class, we will try to finish all the questions of. In next class, it will take 2 classes. So thank you. Bye bye.